Hello YouTube, this is Dr. from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a small little haul from Michael's Tuesday morning, AC Moore and Dollar Tree. Alright, so went to Hobby Lobby. I needed to get a 1-inch punch, and I already opened it up because I was doing something with it. And of course they were on sale, and I got this one. Was it 40-50% off, whatever it was. But one thing I wanted to say about Hobby Lobby was that, I don't know, at least in my store, they have totally, the scrapbooking area is like so bare. They put like big, like on the aisle with the paper. They didn't replenish the paper after they had that big sale. They actually, one side of the aisle was just loose leaf paper, and the other side with pads of paper. And that side with the pads of paper, half of it now is loose leaf paper. So I don't know if they getting rid of, because they took the shelving now to put the sheets of paper there. So they increased that and decreased the paper pads, even though they did bring a couple of new ones out. And then they also, the next aisle, like with the Spellbinders and Sizzix dies, they actually have big portraits, like I'm saying like maybe a 24 by 30-inch frame. They had a couple frames covering the aisle. I don't know, it could be just holding space up, but I don't know. It's like they got rid of a lot of the Tim Holtz section. All of his stuff was basically gone. They put new stuff there. The sticker aisles and stuff was still the same. And then on the aisle with the punches, like almost all of the Paper Studio punches that weren't even on sale, they were all gone. Like all gone. They were like the only, just a couple punches left. And the Fiskars punches, the EK Success punches were gone. And it wasn't just the ones that were on sale. So they still had plenty that were left that weren't on sale. They were gone. So I don't know. It's just kind of weird. Like they're downsizing the scrapbook area. That's what it looked like to me. And it had different stuff like bags, goodie paper bags and decorative bags and just different stuff that, would have been on different aisles are now taking those places. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if that was just my Hobby Lobby, but even when they've had sales before, they haven't done it like that. So that's what was kind of concerning. Anyway, Dollar Tree. What did I get from Dollar Tree? Some of these, in case I decide to do the little organization giveaway thing. I can't talk. I got 2 of these buckets to hold some 8.5 by 11-inch loose leaf paper. And didn't really get much stickers or anything. Did get these binders. Got these stickers on that one, and that one. And then I got this little magnet set as well. It says, whatever sprinkles your donuts, beyond kind of beautiful. Just some page flags. And that was the Dollar Tree. And then from Michael's, I just got some tape. And I just got a couple pads of the red, because I hardly ever find just 100% red paper pads. I mean, and it's the shade of red. I used to find like a darker red, but this is like red. So they were on sale. I got 2 of those. And then from AC Moore. Oh, wait a minute, one more thing. This is from the Dollar. No, this is from AC Moore. Little magnetic pad. Another little block, and just a couple of Boston photos that were on sale for $1.99. These are 5 by 7 by Love Nicole. I got the Thinks one last time, and this is the Happy Birthday one. And then they had their bling on sale, the little small ones. I try to get these when they're on sale because they stay out of stock so much. So basically that was it for those stores. And yeah. Anyway, thanks for liking, subscribing, and watching. And I appreciate it. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.